So today this is a garden to plate video. I will be harvesting cabbage leaves. Yes, and prepare it with corned beef. So you don't have to wait until your cabbage actually gets ed for you to enjoy it. So come along with me.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Okay, so let's get all we need. Before I even do so, let me show you this, guys. Look at these beauties. Look here. This is one plant, you know. Look. One plant. And look, it has 3 branches. 3 branches. So it's a strong possibility that the heads will not form big, but I make use of the leaves, so that's not going to be a big deal for me because I will just use the leaves instead. So the heads are beginning to form inside here. This is another one as well. This one has 2. One plant, 2 branches. This also starts to form right there. This one as well. This is a single one. I may not get big heads, but I'm good with that. I will still make use of the leaves. This is a double one as well. Look at that. Look. So what I'll be doing now, I will be taking off the bottom leaves to use right now. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance. So this is just about what I'll be getting. Let's get them washed up, chopped up, and ready. So let's get them washed up, guys. So I'm going to wash them off with water first, and then I am going to wash them off in salt water. Get rid of anything that I may miss, any insect or anything that I might miss. All right, so get me a container. Wash them off in this. So you see why I don't like leaf miners, guys? I don't want them to take over my edible leaves because I want to be able to have them when I want to. Get the salt. Let's put some salt inside here. So I'm going to put everything together and let this continue to soak a little. All right. So guys, so these are everything that I'll be using. If you notice, most of the things I have here, I use already. So I'm just continuing with what I already started using instead of cutting, you know, new fresh ones. But anyways, these are all I'll be using. I will be using these peppers. This is Scotch bonnet pepper from my garden. As you can see, I use a piece of it already. And these are garlic cloves that I'll be chopping up. This is a piece of onion, leftover onion. Again, a piece of tomato right here. Sweet peppers or bell peppers, orange, green, yellow, red. And I have this cucumber from my garden. Yes. That I will be using as a side. And I have this piece of carrot that I had left over as well. These are the cabbage leaves. Oh, yes. And this is the corned beef that I'll be using. And I will be using only this Maggi all-purpose season. I won't be using any salt. Usually corned beefs are very salty. So I even have to be careful with the amount of this that I use. So I'll be using just a pinch for taste. I love to use my ketchup with my corned beef and cabbage. This is optional, but this is me. This is my cooking, my kitchen, my family. So I'm just doing what we love. Okay, guys? All right. And of course, the oil that we'll be using to saute these veggies. So I'm going to cut up everything and have it ready to start our pot. Yes, cabbage leaves from garden to plate. And we'll be having this with some white rice or plain rice. All right, so let's get moving. All right, so I basically just fold it like this and I cut it up. Now, you will cut them up to the size you desire.
Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance.
All right, so next up is my carrot. Guys, I know. Yes, I know. Why you're using the knife? I prefer this way. And that's just my preference, guys. You know, you ever just have fun doing certain things in the kitchen? This is one of them. I like to peel the carrot with the knife. That's just me, guys. My choice. All right, so I'm cutting everything as to how I want them. You see all of these going back in my garden. So either I'm going to use it in my tea, my compost tea, or I'm going to chop them finely and bury them in one of my containers. So how you go about cutting your veggies is up to you guys. You don't have to do what everyone else is doing. So this is actually going to take some time. So let me just finish up and come back to you. All right? Soon come. So here I have everything chopped up and ready, guys. So I have the cabbage, I have the carrots, the sweet peppers or bell peppers, tomato, onion, finely diced garlic, and just a small piece of the Scotch bonnet pepper. It is very hot. I went ahead and I cut up the cucumber from my garden. Oh. So I'm just going to put it in the fridge until I'm ready. All right, so yeah. Alright, so to my pot, I am adding just about a tablespoon of oil. So to the oil, I am adding the garlic first, the carrots, the onions. So now I'm adding the sweet peppers or the bell peppers, adding the scotch bonnet, and just stir them in a little. Now I'm going to add the cabbages. I'm leaving the tomato for last. Just going to stir this in and then let it steam for about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add the corned beef, guys. Have you ever cooked cabbage leaves before? Comment below and tell me. So now I'm going to add the tomato, guys. I'm adding some ketchup as well. Just a little. And now I'm adding a little Maggi. I'm mixing it in. I'm just going to let this simmer for another maybe 3 minutes.
Guys, I just want to take the time out to acknowledge all of you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Gardening with Stacy family. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Big up to all my loyal supporters. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you all. Enough blessings to you and your family.
So guys, this is just about ready. This is the rice I already prepared. So, soon come. There you go, guys. My cabbage leaves with corned beef and plain rice, along with cucumbers from my garden. Oh, by the way, guys, I did add fresh pieces of thyme, maybe like a minute before turning the stove off. I did not remember to record that. Also, you can add black pepper to it. I just wish not to use it.
Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can.
So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. What a nice place to live.